Welcome back, Death Toll Racing. So I got myself another Omnipro 220 for my roll-around unit in the shop and replaced my MIGmaster 250 ESOB with it. So now it's about physically the same size, but I actually have a card I can put stuff in and it can TIG weld and all that stuff. So to me, it's an upgrade. Not an industrial welder like my MIGmaster was, but for building the silly stuff I build and how I build it and just being a one-man show, it works just fine and they run fantastic. But I don't like the whips on them. One, they're way too short. And two, they're just really light duty for what I use it for. Great for a lot of people, but it doesn't work the best for me. So I replaced the whip with a real long one. So it's a 15-footer. This is just from Yes Welder. Another inexpensive whip. It just uses Tweco number 2, consumables up front. Gives you a lot more contact area tip to wire. So it's gonna start up a lot better. I really, really like this, but this is gonna be more for your 035s having that real long whip. You're not gonna wanna run your 025 probably through this whip. You might be able to make it work, but it also might be very frustrating at times. 045 will probably work through it as well, but you're really pushing the limit of a Tweco number 2, but you're also pushing the limit of an Omnipro 220 with 045 wire doing MIG welding. Can't recommend this one enough though. This is probably my favorite whip I've ever put on anything, especially for 80 bucks. You can't beat it. So anyway, check it out. Click more down below. It'll take you right to this whip. It is not marketed for the Vulcan, just as a warning. But this is the whip I have now on 2 of my units.